Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change language Taobao app Chinese to English. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Taobao app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner and a new page will open up. Now, tap on settings at top right corner and this interface will be displayed. After that, use Google Translate to get to the country or region tab from this page. Inside it, select your country and then save the settings. Once done, go back and refresh the page. Again, go to settings and this time you will find the country language currency option. Access it and then change app language to English and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can change language Taobao app Chinese to English. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.